OK，咁我哋咧就會講翻即係一啲 workbook 嘅答案啦。咁因為我都見部分同學都有問，即係隔離班啦都有問關於 workbook 嘅。咁可能呢一度我都可能即係藉呢個機會啦，就同大家去再 go through 多一次一啲做錯咗嘅部分。咁首先啦，呢一個 fill in the blanks 咧，好多人咧都做得 OK 嘅，冇乜好大嘅問題啦。但係好多人咧都會寫錯咗咧，就係嗰個 object 咧，個 emit thermal energy by radiation。嗱，如果係 by radiation 嘅話咧，咁我哋一定要記住，就一定係同個 emitter 啦，同埋 absorber 有關嘅。咁我哋就唔會咧係同嗰個即係呢個誒 conductor 同埋 insulator 咧有關嘅。如果係同 conductor 同埋 insulator 有關嘅話咧，咁就會係同個conduction 有關嘅。OK，個 conduction。咁而我哋都冇咧一個叫 radiator 嘅嘢嘅，咁我哋就只有 emitter 同埋 absorber。OK，而如果我哋講緊 emit thermal energy 嘅話咧，我哋就會話佢係一個 emitter，一個 good 嘅 emitter。OK，咁如果佢係能夠去經常性能夠即係好容易就可以吸收到一啲嘅thermal energy by radiation 嘅話咧，我哋就話係一個 good 嘅 absorber of radiation 啦。OK，好，咁跟住之後我哋繼續再落啦。conduction can only occur in solid，咁唔係啦，佢喺我哋嘅 liquid 同埋我哋嘅 gas state 咧都係可以進行個 conduction 嘅，但係就係相對而言咧係嗰個情況咧就係爭啲啦。silver and copper 係一個 good 嘅 conductor 啦，的確嘅 true 嘅，因為佢哋兩者咧都係屬於金屬嚟嘅。convection heater 佢係 usually 咧 install high on the wall，咁就唔係啦，因為我哋知道咧熱空氣會上升，咁所以咧通常我哋會將個 convection heater 咧就擺喺咧地面嘅，就而唔會擺喺咧我哋嘅即係牆壁嘅嗰度，因為如果唔係嘅話咧，啲熱空氣咧就只會留喺個牆壁度，咁但係就唔會咧即係即係唔會流到落去咧即係地面啊，或者冇辦法令到成間房咧可以好快地咧就會有一個温暖嘅，即係一個熱咗空氣嘅一個效果啦。sea breeze 啦，and also the land breeze 啦，are formed by the convection of air。咁呢個係 true 嘅。dull black object 啦，is better than is a better absorber of radiator than the shiny white object。dull black 嘅話咧，咁佢係一個咧 better 嘅 absorber，佢亦都係一個咧 better 嘅 emitter。OK，comparing to a shiny white object。OK，in summer we wear dark color clothes to feel cooler。咁應該係錯嘅，因為佢係一個好啲嘅 absorber。咁由於佢係一個 better 嘅 absorber 嘅關係咧，咁佢就會即係呢一個反而會吸多咗熱。OK，吸多咗熱咧，咁佢應該理論上咧佢係會 feel hotter 嘅。好，我哋繼續再落啦。OK，好。呢一條啦就同個 quiz 好似啦，咁我哋都見得到，啲 pins 咧其實係PQR 咧，其實佢係 stuck at the end of 嗰個copper 啦、iron 啦同埋 glass rod。基本上唔同物質，咁佢哋嘅嗰一個 heat 嘅 transfer 嘅速度咧都會有啲唔同嘅。我哋要嚟睇睇 which of the following correctly describe the sequence of drawing pin that falling 啦。我哋可以見得到有哋三種嘅materials。第一種嘅 materials 啦，咁就係iron 啦。第二種就係 copper 啦，而第三種就係 glass 啦。咁如果你話我哋喺 textbook 裏面，我哋嗰陣時我都有講過啦，最快咧就會係 copper 嚟嘅。OK，最快就會能夠傳遞熱啦，咁就會係 copper 去到咧我哋個 drawing pin 嘅。有個火去到個 drawing pin。第二塊咧就會係 iron 啦，第三塊咧就會係我哋嘅 glass 啦。OK，喺呢個情況之下咧，咁我哋可以寫翻啦。應該最快跌落去嘅咧就應該係 P 啦，第二就會係 Q 啦，最後咧第三咧就會係 R 啦。因為 glass 咧佢係一個 insulator 嚟嘅，咁所以咧喺呢個情況之下咧，佢就會冇咁容易咧就係去 transfer 嗰個咧 thermal energy。咁所以答案咧就會係 A 啦。 好，跟住我哋繼續再落啦。咁邊一種嘅 material 係 suitable for making 一個 handle of 個 cooking pot 啦？咁我哋會見得到，我哋通常啲 handle 咧都係一啲 plastic 啦或者 wood 啦。點解啊？因為佢哋係一個 poor 嘅 insulator。由於佢哋係一個 poor 嘅 insulator 咧，所以當我哋煮嘢食嘅時候，啲 thermal energy 容唔容易能夠傳遞得到去我哋隻手度咧？我哋就唔會啦，OK，咁所以答案咧就會係2 and 3，所以答案就係 B 啦。好，跟住我哋繼續再落啦。Which of the following statement about heat transfer is correct？thermal energy is transferred from a hot place to a cold place naturally 啦。的確嘅，OK，thermal energy 會 transfer 由一個熱啲嘅地方去一個凍啲嘅地方。iron conduct heat faster than copper， 咁錯啦，應該 copper 係 conduct heat faster than 嗰個iron 嘅。A flame transfer thermal energy to its surrounding by convection only。唔係啦，唔係淨係 by convection。點解啊？因為個 flame transfer thermal energy to 個 surrounding 可以 by radiation 噶嘛，咁所以喺呢個情況之下咁就錯啦。radiation occur in a vacuum only。咁我哋喺真空嘅狀態咧，唔係即係我應該咁講，真空嘅狀態，我哋的確咧就淨係得 radiation 咧係可以 occur 得到嘅啫。咁但係咧而家個題目咧就係講緊就係話 radiation occur in vacuum only。咁係咪 radiation 即係輻射淨係喺真空狀態先至會去進行咧？咁就並唔係嘅，佢喺即係唔係一個真空嘅狀態嘅情況之下咧，都會係可以做得到嘅。所以答案就會係 A 啦。好，我哋一於嚟睇睇，which of the following heat transfer process involve the flow of materials？咁咩叫 flow of materials 咧？就係指緊咧個物質嘅一啲嘅移動啦，或者個物件嘅移動啦。咁我哋好明顯，我哋就係指緊咧我哋嘅 convection 啦。由於個 convection 咧，佢係會令到個 air particle 咧係會點樣啦？move upward。令到即係簡單嚟講，或者個 water particle 咧係會 move upward，咁我哋就會製造咗 create 一個 flow 出嚟啦，一個咧流動出嚟啦。而呢個流動咧，正正就係代表緊我哋個 energy 嘅一個 transfer 啦。好，咁我哋就繼續再落啦。好，which of the following are the applications of 嗰個convection 啦？咁我哋可以見得到咧，嗰個applications of 個 convection，我哋其中一個，我哋就會見得到就係嗰一個嘅 smoke 啦。如果例如話我哋有一啲嘅 hot smoke 嘅話，咁由於個 hot smoke 佢係會點樣㗎？啲 smoke 嘅 particles 咧就會 move upward 啦，因為 due to 嗰個 air movement 啦。咁當我哋咧留喺一個底部嘅話咧，咁會發生啲乜嘢事啊？咁佢就會即係避免咗我哋咧。吸入一啲濃煙啦，或者可能係吸入咗一啲嘅即係啲 smoke particles 啦。而變相我哋咧就能夠咧係安全地離開呢一個嘅地方又好，或者可能離開呢一個嘅現場火警現場啦。第二就係aquarium 嘅一個 heater 啦。咁由於佢擺喺底部，咁所以當佢加熱嘅時候咧，咁佢就會令到成個嘅即係水族箱啦，或者可能一個水箱咧，就係會裡面嘅水咧都係會加咗熱嘅。好，跟住最後啦，我哋可以睇得到，我哋喺一啲嘅電腦板嘅後面，我哋加一啲嘅窿位，咁呢一啲嘅 slits 咧，其實咧就係可以幫助咧啲嘅熱嘅空氣咧就係流出嚟嘅。OK，咁所以最後咧答案咧就係 D 啦，1、2、3咧，呢三個咧都係一種嘅 application 咧 of convection 嘅。好，跟住我哋繼續再落啦。Below are three different surface 啦，有三種唔同嘅即係表面啦。第一種就係一個 dull black 啦，就係全黑色啦。第二種 silvery，第三種就係 white 啦。咁我哋記住啦，我哋 white 唔係一個poor 嘅一個emitter 或者一個 poor 嘅 absorber 啦。咁係我哋成日講嘅 silvery，我哋先至係一種，或者我哋嘅 shiny。light color 啦，咁即係舉個例子，例如話可能 silvery 啊呢啲嘅顏色咧，先至係一個poor 嘅一個 absorber and emitter 啦。咁所以喺呢個情況之下咧，我哋一於嚟睇下邊一種嘅 surface 咧，佢係 best for each of the following。舉個例子 ，absorbing radiation，咁 absorbing radiation 咧就應該係 double black 啦，咁而 emitting radiation 咧都會係 double black 嘅，因為 double black 呢一種嘅顏色咧，佢係 both good in absorbing radiation 啦，因為佢係一個 good 嘅一個 absorber，佢亦都係一個 good 嘅 emitter 啦，咁所以我哋兩個咧都係 double black 嘅。好，跟住之後繼續再落啦。Which of the following is not an application of radiation？咁啊，第一個我哋 wear 一個 down jacket to keep warm in winter 啦。咁呢個好明顯就即係並不是一個嘅唔係一個 application of radiation 啊。點解 down jacket 乜嘢係 down jacket 啊？down jacket 就係代表緊佢係一啲我哋叫做等陣啊羽絨啊。咁呢啲羽絨咧，其實咧，你會發覺咧，呢啲羽絨咧，其實就唔會咧係即係羽絨。等陣啊，等陣啊，抹翻低先。羽絨，OK。好，咁啊，呢一個就會係個羽絨啦。咁而當我哋用個羽絨嘅時候，其實我哋當中會有一個 thick layers of 嗰個 air 嘅。咁而呢啲 air 咧，其實我哋都知道 air 佢係一種乜嘢嚟㗎？Good insulator。由於係一個 good insulator 嘅關係咧，咁佢會點樣啦？佢就會能夠可以 trap 到啲 heat 啦，令到啲 heat 咧保留喺嗰個羽絨同埋我哋之間，咁所以變相咧，我哋就可以 keep warm 啦。咁而呢個過程當中咧，就好明顯就係同呢一個咩啊，同呢一個 radiation 咧就係冇關係嘅。相反，佢係同咩有關？最主要同咩有關咧？就係同個 conduction 有關啦。咁所以答案咧就會係 A 啦。咁而另外其他啦，關於凡係同 color 有關咧，都9成9咧係同呢個 radiation 咧係有關嘅，或者係最主要咧都係透過 radiation 咧嚟傳播呢一個熱量嘅。好，跟住之後我哋繼續再嚟睇啦。咁啊，我哋會見得到咧，我哋嘅即係一啲圖啦。咁我哋會好明顯，我哋就係呢一個溫泉嘅一個池咁樣啦。咁啊，呢一個嘅池咧就裝住咗一啲嘅熱水。咁啊，喺呢一個情況之下啦，咁我哋咧就會去睇一睇究竟啲水嘅溫度夠唔夠啦。咁我哋咧就發現啦，原來呢啲水嘅溫度唔夠喎。咁究竟個 heater 應該係要擺喺邊個位置咧？嗱，咁今次咧題目咧就好好啦，就俾咗你啦，就話佢擺喺咧個底部嘅。咁當我哋 turn on 咗呢個 heater 嘅時候咧，咁佢就會咧喺呢個底部嘅 heater 咧就會 warm up 晒成個池，令到我哋嘅池咧就會出咗一啲熱嘅水出嚟嘅。咁啊，我哋要嚟睇一睇究竟有啲乜嘢嘅 process 咧係會即係可以加熱得到呢個池嘅水啦。咁好明顯，我哋擺得喺一個底部，而呢個底部咧加熱之後咧，其實會令到成個嘅池咧都係會暖咗嘅話咧，咁我哋就會叫呢一種嘅即係呢一種嘅heat transfer process 咧，就會係 convection 啊，convection。咁我哋一於就去 draw 嗰個嘅direction of 個 heated water 啦。咁我哋會見得到咧，佢應該咧係點樣畫法咧？佢就會當我哋有個 heater 喺下面，咁我啲熱水咧就會 move upward。咁由於佢撞到一啲嘅凍嘅水咧，咁佢就 turn right 啊，咁啊移去右手邊，咁慢慢溫度降翻嚟咧，咁佢就會落翻去啦。咁啊好多人啦都冇做呢一條嘅，咁所以大家到時候喺考試嘅時候咧，記住一定要留意同埋再留意啦，OK？因為有機會咧佢會叫你畫圖嘅，咁千祈唔好 skip 咗一啲題目咧，就係冇做到啦。跟住我哋要嚟睇下，咁我哋會點樣去進行一啲嘅 explanation 咧？咁啊，當個 heater turn on，咁個水呢一個 heater 咧會 become hot and rise，OK？咁啊，而第二啦，咁個 cooler water in the surrounding region 咧就會點樣啦？會 fill in 去 replace 咧就係呢啲走咗上去嘅 hot water。咁所以咧啲 water 咧 is then heated by the heated by the heater 啦。咁 hence the water in the whole swimming pool 咧就會 heat up evenly 啦。好，咁我哋繼續落啦。 好咁啊，deers 啦are commonly are common in Nara 啦，Japan。咁 the photos below 啦shows how the deer looks in summer and in winter。咁我哋就會見得到咧，原來咧啲鹿咧佢喺奈良嘅一啲鹿咧，佢喺夏天同埋咧冬天咧，佢哋嘅嗰個羽毛啊，或者佢哋嘅一啲毛髮咧，都會係有少少唔同嘅喎。咁我哋要嚟睇下點解佢哋會有一啲咧唔同啦，或者點解有一啲嘅鹿嘅嗰個毛髮咧會比較厚咧喺冬天嘅時候。咁啊原來咧 thicker 嘅 fur 咧，佢係可以 trap 一個咧a thicker layer of air 嘅。咁呢個 thicker layer of air 究竟佢係點樣出嚟咧？或者佢係點解我哋要有呢一啲嘅thick layer of air 咧？咁正正就係因為咧，我哋知道咧 air 係一啲乜嘢啊？Good insulator 啦。咁喺呢個情況之下咧，it will transfer 個 thermal energy away from 個animal body 啦，by 個 conduction。咁啊當佢經過呢一個嘅 conduction，即係用 conduction 嘅形式係去傳遞呢個熱量嘅時候啦，咁我哋會發現咧，當我哋有一陣嘅 air 喺度咧，有 thick layers of air 咧，咁佢仲傳唔傳遞得到呢啲熱量啊？咁就唔能夠傳遞呢啲熱量啦。咁佢點解佢會傳遞唔到啊？因為咧佢哋air 係一個 good 嘅 insulator 啦，佢會令到咧呢一啲嘅熱量咧係慢慢好慢咁樣咧，先至能夠傳遞得到咧去另一個地方。咁所以我哋就會話佢係 transfer slowly 啦。咁所以喺呢個情況之下咧，就可以幫助啲 deer 咧去 keep warm 啦。咁除此之外咧，我哋都會見得到咧，佢哋咧個顏色啦，佢哋會變得點樣啦？深色咗喎。咁啊，點解佢會變得深色咗啊？就係因為咧 darker color 嘅 fur 咧，佢係一種 better 嘅乜嘢 absorber of radiation 啊。因為今次我哋講緊要令到個deer 係 warm 啊嘛，咁所以咧，我哋一定係同吸熱有關啊。佢哋唔會話咧佢係一個好啲釋放熱量嘅，因為如果佢話好啲釋放熱量，咁理論上佢應該佢係 keep 唔到 warm 嘅，所以佢應該佢就只可以咧係吸收熱量。OK，咁佢係一個好啲嘅一個吸收熱量嘅一個顏色啦。咁佢會點樣啊？佢就會 absorb 多咗嘅一啲 thermal energy 咧，by radiation 咧 from 邊度啊？radiation 我哋喺地球能夠攞到一啲嘅輻射，即係除咗一啲嘅火源之外啦，或者一啲嘅heat source 之外咧，咁就正正咧就係嚟自於太陽啦，咁啊 by the sun。咁所以咧呢個情況之下咧，佢就可以幫助咧啲 deer 咧就係 keep warm 啦。好，咁跟住之後，我哋就繼續再落啦，去到 CPU 啦。咁我哋點解我哋會能夠令到個電腦係會好快速地可以 cool down 得到咧？咁其實就正正就係因為佢裡面加多咗一個 heat sink 啦，一個熱嘅即係沉澱嘅一個裝置啦。咁啊，佢究竟佢點樣可以做得到個 heat sink 嘅作用咧？咁原來咧就係佢裡面咧會有一啲嘅金屬啦。咁而當中咧就係用一啲aluminium 啊，或者一啲嘅 copper。咁 aluminium 就係一啲嘅鋁啦，咁而 copper 就係啲銅啦。咁我哋要嚟睇下究竟點樣可以幫助得到我哋 transfer 呢啲 heat 咧 away quickly 啦。咁我首先第一步我哋就一定要去諗下究竟aluminium 同埋 copper 點解一定要用呢啲嘅 materials 咧？呢啲 materials 係屬於 metals。咁既然係 metal，即係代表緊佢哋一個 good 嘅 conductor of heat 啦。咁喺答問題嘅時候，喺考試答問題嘅時候咧，都要盡量加翻佢究竟係 good 啦，定係佢係一個 poor 嘅。咁喺個 conductor 嘅前面啦，唔好唔記得，因為如果唔係嘅話咧，我哋就俾唔到分你㗎啦。好，咁啊佢係一個 good conductor of heat 啦。咁啊，佢哋能夠咧 quickly 咧 transfer heat away 咧 from 邊啊？from 個 CPU 去到附近嘅呢一個空氣啦，by 乜嘢嘅heat process 啊？咁好多人咧喺答呢條問題嘅時候咧，就咁講話咧，佢能夠 transfer thermal energy away。嗱，我都知道佢能夠咧係可以將一啲嘅熱能係轉走嘅。咁但係佢係由邊一度去到邊一度咧？呢個你一定要寫翻出嚟，同埋 by 乜嘢嘅 process 咧？咁呢個都要寫翻出嚟。咁喺考試嘅時候，當我哋去 explain 一啲題目嘅時候咧，我哋都同樣，我哋都係要講翻個 location， 以及用乜嘢嘅 heat transfer process。OK，好，跟住之後我哋又嚟睇下啦。究竟點解我哋要將呢一個 CPU 要將呢個 heatsink 咧係油成黑色咧？咁今次我哋就係咪講緊個 absorber 啊？就係佢係一個good 嘅 absorber，唔係，我哋今次就唔係想要講佢吸熱啦，因為佢係講緊散熱啊嘛。既然係講緊散熱嘅關係，咁所以我哋今次就要講咩啊？good 嘅 emitter 啦，釋放熱量嘅。OK。咁佢係一個 good 嘅 emitter of radiation 啦，咁所以咧佢就會 lost 咗一啲嘅 thermal energy 啦，同埋咧可以 cool down 咧 by radiation 咧 quickly 啦。咁如果你亦都有講到咧嗰個即係 location 咧，咁都會非常之好嘅，咁我都一樣會俾咗分嘅。咁5.2嘅部分咧就大致上係咁樣啦。咁大家仲有冇其他嘅問題咧？如果冇嘅話咧，咁我哋就可能呢條片咧就 stop 咗一 stop 先。咁大家如果要睇666嘅話，就睇第二條片啦。